Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now look at the headlines. Prudent celebrates 5 glorious years of inception. High profile and other well-wishers greet Team Prudent. Prudent Media Global launches its official website. Now watch Prudent Media on social networking sites and your mobile. Goa government creates 11,000 new posts in 5 years, one government employee in every 25 Goans. Government employee totals to 57,000. Watch special report. Goans celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. India Against Corruption demands Lokayukta bill in force by 19 December. Save Old Goa Committee objects iffy closing schedule. And credibility of Goan umpires gone up on national circuit. BCCI panel umpire Nitin Pai conducts refreshers seminar for all Goan umpires. And now the news in detail. It's a momentous occasion for the entire Prudent Media team. Prudent Media completes 5 years of its inception on 2nd October. Prudent has come a long way in becoming a household name among the Goan populace. This year, we have one more feather in our cap, our website prudentmedia.in.
The Prudent Media team celebrated its 5th anniversary on Sunday. Both high-profile as well as other well-wishers greeted the team on this special occasion. Among those who made a special appearance were Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, Opposition Leader Manohar Parrikar, MP Shripad Naik, MLA Lakshmikant Parsekar, Damu Naik, Milind Naik, Anand Sheth, Ramesh Tavadkar, Dilip Parulekar, Mahadev Naik, Vijay Paikhoth, Vasudev Mengavkar, Nilkanth Halankar, Jose Philip D'Souza, Narendra Savoykar, Victor Gonsalves, Sanjit Rodrigues, Lau Mamledar, Rajendra Talak, Rajendra Arlekar, journalist Pandurang Gaonkar, Sadguru Patil, Satish Naik, Vilas Mahadik, Sairu Velip, Rupesh Samant, Murari Shetye, Dilip Deshpande, Deepak Bhandare, Sanjeev Velnekar, Baban Bhagat, Arvind Tengse, Prakash Kamath, Vaman Prabhu, Pravesh Prabhu, MLA Victoria Fernandez, Ramakant Khalap, MP Shantaram Naik, John Aguiar, Dharma Chodankar, DGP Aditya Arya, Mahesh Gaonkar, Chandrakant Salgaonkar, Rupendra Shetgaonkar, Praveen Kumar Vast, Pracharya Arulkar, Dr. Ajay Vaid, Satish Sonak, Subodh Kerkar, Mangalda Shetkar, Vikram Verma, Pandurang Raut, Trajan Dimelo, Albert Culaso, Savio Coutinho, Vittal Das Hegde, Vijay Sardesai, Siddhanath Buyao, and many other guests were also among those people who visited the Prudent office at Santines. Surendra Furtad, Prabhakar Timle, Babu Keni, Cleophas Coutinho, Suhas Belekar, Sunil Kautonkar, Miki Pacheco, Nelly Rodrigues, Lyndon Montero, Christopher Fonseca, Verma Dimelo, Monty Sally, Ullas Desai, Kashinath Shetye, Ramesh Naik, Brahmanand Shankwalkar, Movin Gudino, Ashish Shirodkar, Carlos Ferreira, Ravi Naik, Avinash Bhosle, Mangirish Pai Raikar, Sai Panandikar, Barnab Sapeko, Azilda Sapeko, Damodar Ghanekar, Mukesh Thali, Pritesh Shirodkar, Advocate Ryan Menezes, Francis Silver, Yatin Parekh, Jyoti Masurkar, Surendra Sirsat, Pramod Kamath, Avdut Timlo and Anju Timlo and others. In the evening, to becoming a full-fledged 24-hour channel, Prudent Media as a news and entertainment channel has indeed come a long way. We promise you, Prudent will raise the bar with our aggressive approach towards news, and we hope in the years to come, you viewers will give us the much needed support so that we are motivated to give our best. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Now Goa's #1 TV channel, Prudent Media, will be available on internet and also on your mobile. Prudent Media launched its official website www.prudentmedia.in on its 5th anniversary on Sunday. The website was launched by the senior journalist Sitaram Tengse.
प्रुडंट मिडियाचे म्हाका एक महत्व जें आसा एका आमदारान बरें सांगलें आमदारान म्हणजे हाव बिकॉज ऑफ प्रुडंट मिडिया आय कूड गेट एक्सपोजर. तो म्हाजो फ्रेंड आनी हो आसा दामोदर नायक. तो म्हाका म्हाजे दिसता तो एक बरो आमदार, अभ्यासू आमदार, स्टुडियस आनी खंयच्याय विशयाचेर बरो अभ्यास करून मांडटा. बट वॉट हॅपन्स ही टोल्ड मी आपण म्हणतो खंयचो एक सब्जेक्ट घेता, विशय घेता आनी तो बरो अभ्यास करून वेवस्थीत विधानसभेत मांडटा. बट वॉट हॅपन्स आपणालो जो पार्टीचो लिडर आसा तो लास्ट म्हणजे असो एक खंयचो तरी पॉयंट काडटा आनी मागीर संपूर्ण प्रिंट मिडिया फक्त ओन्ली दॅट पॉयंट इज हायलायटेड आनी आपूण केल्लो सगळो एफर्ट जे फुकट. पर्टिक्युलर जो आपले आमचे प्रुडंट मिडिया हांणी जें कितें काम केलां गेल्ल्या 5 वर्सांत ताचें इट इज व्हेरी वेलकम. ताचें कौतुक करपा सारकें आसा.
Have a look at the website of Prudent Media. Type www.prudentmedia.in and the page opens. You can watch news, programs and debates. There is also news in text, the breaking news and the news updates. You can view your news bulletins in English and also in Konkani. You can also watch 14 programs a week. If you miss, there are archives too. Konkani and English news will be updated on website at 11 o'clock at night. It's available till the next day's news is updated. If you miss last night news or news of the whole week, don't worry, we have the archives available here. Just click it and watch it. You can also have a look at the various events held during IFFI. Prudent is now also available on Facebook. Come on, be our friend and get us on Facebook. If you want to get Prudent on your mobile, then it's simple. Enter your mobile number and get the SMS of the latest news every day, every hour, every minute. Similar with the Twitter. Open your account on Twitter and follow Prudent Goa. Download the Twitter application on your mobile and keep getting one-liners, the news in brief. You can also watch news on your mobile. Go to our YouTube account, subscribe to it and get Prudent. Or you can simply browse our website and watch everything on mobile. So don't waste time, friends. Start browsing it every day. Tell your friends, not only in Goa, outside Goa and even abroad. From today, make www.prudentmedia.in your homepage. Prudent is not only in your home, it will always remain in your heart. Forever. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Number of Goa government employees has almost reached to 57,000. Government has created almost 11,000 new posts in last 5 years, including 5,000 being filled this year. Till date, no government in its single assembly tenure has employed such a huge staff. The proportion is now one government employee in every 25th Goans. Who will pay this army? Watch a special report by Laukik Shilkar.
Digambar Kamat's government has really favored the youth running for government jobs. Till date, no government has employed such a huge number of staff. Digambar Kamat was sworn in as a chief minister in June 2007. From June 2007 to December 2010, this government has inducted a total 5,605 new employees. First of all, 6 pay burden and now this newly created jobs. Vishwajit Rane's department has topped this list. Have a look. Vishwajit Rane 1,428 posts, Ravi Naik 845, Digambar Kamat 796, Alex Sequeira 629, Churchill Alamau 502, Babush Monserrat 492, Philip Neri 356, Joki Alamau 188, Babu Asgaukar 147 and Sudin Thavrikar 114. Count has reached to 5,605 including vacancies from other departments. The list doesn't end here. Besides this, government has created 4,900 vacancies in past 3 months. Out of this, 200 vacancies are on contract basis. These vacancies will be filled in next 1 to 2 months. This gives a huge figure of 10,505 jobs in Kamat government's regime. It's almost a record in the history of Goa Assembly. The pace of inducting the army of employees in government department has increased with the approaching assembly election.
सरकारी कर्मचाऱ्यांचो आंकडो 57,000 पावला. म्हणजे 14.5 लाख लोकसंख्येच्या गोंयांत दर 25 गोंयकारां फाटल्यान एक सरकारी कर्मचारी पडटा. शेतकी वाठाराची ग्रोथ नेगेटिव्ह, उद्देगीक वाठारय वाडना आनी सरकारान नोकऱ्यांचें राजकारण चलयलां. हे परिस्थितीत 57,000 सरकारी कर्मचाऱ्यांक पगार दितलो कोण आनी तांकां पोसतलो कोण? व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट सनी नार्वेकर वांगडा हांव लौकीक शिलकार, प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.